Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go down until you search or until you find this window or this application of NFL. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your